It's now time for Section 1. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and McAuley Primary won and decided for Old Harbour Primary to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Old Harbour Primary. Bible knowledge. Who was the 11th son of Jacob?
Joseph.
Correct. Bible knowledge. McAuley. Who was the first wife of Jacob?
Leah.
Correct. Jamaican affairs. A visual question. Old Harbour. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Would you like to try, McAuley?
Yes, please. Lisa Hannah.
Incorrect. The Honourable Kamina Johnson-Smith, Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade. Jamaican affairs. McAuley, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Olivia Bobsy Grange.
Sports Minister. Correct. Science. Old Harbour, what is the name given to a piece of curved glass that bends straight rays of light which pass through it?
Concave lens.
Judges? So we'll accept the lens. Science. McAuley, what is the name of the distance from the center of a lens to the point of focus?
Focal point.
Correct. Theatre. A visual question. Old Harbour, look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Anna.
Correct. McAuley. Theatre. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Hawk. Hans.
Incorrect. Christoph. English language. Old Harbour. Spell sketchy.
SKETCHY.
Correct. English language. McAuley. Spell clout.
Clout. CLOUTE.
Incorrect. And please speak up. CLOUT. Sports. A visual question. Old Harbour. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Just say something.
Shaquille O'Neal.
Incorrect. Rashid Broadbell, Jamaican athlete. Sports. A visual question. McAuley. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Daniel Williams.
Incorrect. Olympian Megan Tapper, Jamaican athlete. General knowledge. Old Harbour. The flamingo is the national bird of which Caribbean country?
Grenada.
Incorrect. The Bahamas. General knowledge. McAuley. The magnificent frigate bird is the national bird of which Caribbean country?
Barbados.
Incorrect. Antigua and Barbuda. Old Harbour. Social studies. What is the name starting with P for all the people living in a country?
Population.
Or populace. Correct. Social studies. McAuley. What is the name starting with C for a legally recognized national of a country?
Census.
Incorrect. Citizen. Music. Old Harbour. Who recorded the single What Was I Made For, featured in the 2023 movie Barbie?
What was I made for? What was her name again?
Just say Tana.
It's not her.
Incorrect. Billie Eilish. Music. McAuley. Who recorded the single Man Am I, featured in the 2023 movie Barbie?
Ariana Grande.
Incorrect. Sam Smith. And that's where we end this section. The scores are McAuley Primary on 3 and Old Harbour Primary on 5. We now head to a quick break, but before we do that, here's our friendly tip from Guardian New Ultimate Provider. With a new school year, it's very important to plan ahead by making a timetable for homework and assignments. Don't be left behind. Please stay with us. The 20th season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.